If you want to save a JPEG in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to export your project as a JPG file and save it directly to your computer. This is super useful when you're finished editing and you want a smaller, easy to share image file. It's quick, simple, and you don't need any extra software. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful Photopea tips and editing guides. Let's jump in. First, make sure your project is open in Photopea and everything looks the way you want it to. Before exporting, it's always a good idea to quickly check your layers, colors, and overall design, just so you know the final image is ready to go. Once you're happy with it, look at the top menu bar in Photopea. From there, click File, then hover over Export As and choose JPG. This is the option you need when you want to save your work as a JPEG image file. As soon as you click it, a Save Options window will appear. This is where you can fine-tune the export settings before downloading the file. The first setting you'll see is Quality. This controls how compressed or how sharp your JPEG will be. If you want a really good balance between image clarity and file size, a quality setting between 80% and 90% is usually the sweet spot. That range keeps your image looking clean and detailed without making the file too large. If you lower the quality too much, the image may start to look blurry or compressed, so it's worth taking a second to choose the right setting. Next, you may also see width and height options. These let you change the final output dimensions if you need a different size for your image. For example, maybe you want to make it smaller for web use or larger for a specific project. If you don't need to change the dimensions, you can leave these settings as they are. Once your settings are ready, go ahead and click the Save button. Photopea will process the file and instantly download the JPEG to your computer. In most cases, the image will be saved directly into your default downloads folder, so if you don't see it right away, check there first, and that's all there is to it. You've now saved your design as a JPEG in Photopea using the Export as JPG option. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where to look, it becomes a really fast part of your workflow. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.